So I've been working on my time lapse of my 3D printer. Set up Octolab so it looks really cool now. You'll see that straight after this. Alright, now we've got some soldering. Feel free down in the comments section below, tell me when you get bored, because I'm already bored watching this. Look at me. It's like I've got 6 thumbs. It takes me like 4 times the amount of time it should take me to do it. Still going. I'll stop it. It's finished. Awesome. So, now we've finished the project. So as you can see, the light is green, therefore it's moist. But if we take it away and reveal the sensor, it goes red. If we put only a little bit on it, and not too much, I think we can make it go yellow as well. I think that's yellow, because if that's yellow and that's green, I don't like the yellow at all. You can't tell the difference. Let's take them apart. So, because I did a real good thing of not showing anything, this guy comes off. The sensor's the only thing that sits in there, which can be unplugged. This guy in here is the control for the sensor, then the LED is right at the top. Cool. Another project done. Another project I didn't explain very well. Hopefully they get better. Hopefully someone watched this bit, but we'll see. If you did, well done, thank you very much. If you enjoyed it, thank you very much. Watch the other 2 videos because you haven't. Thank you. See you next time.